morning, everyone. Miss Erin here, and welcome to another edition of Wee Wednesday. Myself and Miss Colleen are so excited that you're joining us this morning. So let's jump right into our songbook and see which instrument we're using this morning. So we're continuing with our nursery rhyme theme here at the Main Street Children's Museum, and it's May 19th, so we're gonna be using scarves. I've got this beautiful blue scarf. If you have one that looks like this at home, that's great, but if you don't, that's fine too. You can use a t-shirt, anything you can wave around, just like that. All right, so make sure to get your scarf ready for our instrument songs. And now we're gonna sing Hello Friends. Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends. It's time to say hello. Hi, friends. All right, now Miss Colleen is gonna do the instrument songs with you this morning.
All right, I've got my blue scarf and I'm ready for our first instrument song, and it's the Grand Old Duke of York. So remember, with the Grand Old Duke of York, we're gonna go high and low and in the middle. So we'll wave high, low, and in the middle. Are you ready? The Grand Old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and marched them down again. And when you're up, you're up. And when you're down, you're down. And when you're only halfway up, you're neither up nor down. Let's do the chorus again. And when you're up, you're up. And when you're down, you're down. And when you're only halfway up, you're neither up nor down. Good job, everybody. Our second song today is Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So with our scarves today, every time we sing E-I-E-I-O, we're gonna make an O, a circle with our scarves. E-I-E-I-O. So try that at home. And then every time we do the animal sounds, like a moo-moo here or moo-moo there, we'll do it to the side. Moo-moo here, moo-moo there. So O for E-I-E-I-O, and moo-moo here, moo-moo there. You ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. There we go, ready for those scarves. And now it's time to put the scarves away. Time to put the scarves away, scarves away, scarves away. Time to put the scarves away, save them for another day. Good job, everybody. Our felt play today is 5 little speckled frogs, and let's count them to make sure we have all 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it goes like this. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs, yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool, and now there are only 4 little speckled frogs. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs, yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool, and now there are only 3 little speckled frogs. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs, yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool, and now there are only 2 little speckled frogs. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs, yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool, and now there's only 1 little speckled frog. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs, yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool, and now there are 0 speckled frogs on the log. They're all swimming.
Hi friends, I'm here in the treehouse at the Main Street Children's Museum to do some of our songs for this morning. And both of our songs have a little bit of a spider theme because we're in a tree. So the first one, probably know this one, is called the Itsy Bitsy Spider. And it has some motions to it. So first, let's practice our spider. So put your fingers together like this. You have your thumbs touch your pointer fingers on your opposite hand, okay? And we're gonna go up the water spout like this. You practice that with me? Up the water spout. Great job. All right. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Great job, friends. Okay, and for our next rhyme that we're going to do in our lovely tree house, we're going to do Little Miss Muffet. And this is a really popular nursery rhyme. So for this one, we're all gonna pretend to be Little Miss Muffet on our tuffet and eat some curds and whey. So take out your imaginary bowl and spoon. You ready? Okay. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider that sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Okay, friends, we're gonna do that one more time. And can you run away and be Little Miss Muffet for me? Okay, let's take out our bowl. Okay. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider that sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Great job, friends. All right, and now we're going to check out our read aloud for this morning. Our read aloud for this morning is Walter's Wonderful Web by Tim Hopgood. I'm reading this story with permission from Farrar, Straus, Giroux Books for Young Readers and Macmillan Publishing. Walter's Wonderful Web. Walter wished he could spin a perfect web, just like his friends. But Walter's webs weren't perfect. They were wibbly-wobbly. And when the wind blows, wibbly-wobbly webs always blow away. But Walter was determined, so one morning he decided to start with something simple. Very carefully, he made a small web in the shape of a... What's that? A triangle! Whoosh went the wind, and it blew the web away. Walter started again. This time, he made a bigger web in the shape of a... square! A square. Whoosh went the wind, and it blew the web away. Walter sighed and started again. This time, he made a longer web in the shape of a rectangle. Whoosh went the wind, and it blew the web away. Walter sighed. Then he stretched his legs and made a taller web in the shape of a diamond. Whoosh, whoosh went the wind, and it blew that web away too. Perhaps my webs should be more round, thought Walter. So he climbed up and down. He twisted and twirled. Would this be Walter's first perfect web? Nearly. It wasn't a perfect web, but it was an almost perfect circle, and it looked strong. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh went the wind. Poor Walter hit the ground with a bump. Walter was tired and upset. He felt like giving up, but as the sun went down, he thought about all the different shapes he had made. All at once, he knew just what to do, so he took a deep breath and set to work. Whoosh went the wind, but it didn't stop Walter or his web. Not this time. And as the stars came out, Walter's web shone in the moonlight. It was better than perfect. It was a truly wonderful web. And here we have all of the shapes that were shown in the book. I encourage all of you to check out our Mini Maker Monday from this week and make your very own shape web, just like Walter. All right, now we're gonna head back to our main set to say goodbye for this morning.
Thanks for joining us on Wee Wednesday today. Hope you can join us again next week. And now it's time for our goodbye song. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.